we open our post-game press conference with our winning coach, Coach Ronald Tubid of Terra Firma. Coach, congratulations. A huge win, a 30-point victory to open the conference. Coach, gaano naka-impact or naka-influence yung import na si Mubashir Ali in the way you guys been practicing and the way you guys play with him?
Well, very coachable eh. Kaya namin siya napili kasi fit siya dun sa team namin. And then, pag na-challenge sa mga teammates niya, sa mga players, sa practice, never complains. Kung ano lang sabihin namin, pinapagawa namin, nagagawa niya. So, tsaka enjoy sa practice eh. Yung atmosphere sa practice, very enjoy. So, yun yung kinikreate namin culture sa Terra Firma. Kumbaga, kailan pag-practice namin, excited lahat. They want to practice. So, that's why nung bago maglaro, kumbaga, nagkukulang pa kami kasi nag-a-ask pa ng more. So, for us, yun ang namin sa yung culture na binago namin sa Terra Firma.
Now we're ready to entertain questions from the media.
Coach, describe lang yung laro ni Jerry Tan easy dahil coming off sa all-star and shooting niya. Yung ba plan? Ganun ba yung expect sa kanya sa score price?
Well, number one scorer namin si Jerry talaga eh. So, hindi naman kami nagkulang ng reminder sa kanya na lahat ng games gonna do everything na ma-stop siya. So, sabi ko just wait for the decoy. Then, pag nakashoot na, magtuloy-tuloy na yan. So, this happened kanina. Medyo gigil kasi first game. Sabi ko just let it settle down. Pag na-settle down na yan, papasok yan. Kaya pumasok. So, yun talaga yung namin.
Obviously, kasi parang defensively, intimidate sa mga tira, nakaka-rebound, nakaka-stress.
Well, it's a team effort pa rin. Ang emphasis namin sa team namin yung culture na binabago namin. So, offense and defense, team effort lahat. So, kung nahihirapan, we will find a way always na mag-ano dun sa concepts namin sa team namin.
Jared, talk about the turnaround from the All-Star weekend to now. Seems like you didn't miss a step. How was your performance tonight?
I think my performance tonight was okay. I think I always have room for improvement. I always have days where I can progress, and today is just going to be one of those days where I have to go back to the film and see what I can get better at.
Talk about your teammates. You have Ali, of course, Rio, who was played well.
Yeah.
But how do you think how do you see the team right now with all the additions?
I think our team has a lot of chemistry right now. But the coaches always stress to just have fun with the game and make sure not to be too frustrated with mistakes that we make on the court. So I think that's what we translated from practice to the game. So hopefully we can just carry this and carry it to the following games.
Coach, ano lang,
Almost done.
how's it different na you're opening a campaign with the win? Previous conferences, alam natin, usually talo kayo o first game pala. How it's different yung scenario na yun?
Well, masaya kasi yung pinag-arapan namin. From day one, last conference kasi parang less than a month lang preparation namin. Ngayon medyo early to nag-start. So, it's masaya kasi yung work na ilan namin sa system namin. Nakikita namin yun. Pero we need to polish it pa. So, much better na ma-polish pa namin para makikita namin kung hanggang saan talaga yung team na to.
Coach, sasabihin nyo lang sa with the way Jay played tonight.
Well, okay naman si Gio. Hindi, yun lang. Yun ako si Gio dito. May improve pa yan. Kasi bibigyan naman siya namin ng role na hindi lang taga-pass na taga-screen or taga-rebound. Process pa rin si Gio.
Thank you, Coach.
Thank you. Ready?